Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to turn on Save Search in Google Chrome. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's try to open the Google Chrome. Okay, so once we open the Google Chrome, so here you can see the three dots on top right corner of the Google Chrome, that is customize and control your Google Chrome. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you can see the settings. Go to the settings. And here you can see privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. And here you can see the option called security, safe browsing, protection from the dangerous sites and other security settings. So click on that. So make sure to take the option on, can select the option on standard protection, which protects against the sites, downloads and extensions that are known to be dangerous. And it also helps to improve the security on the web for everyone, and it will also warn if a password was compromised in a data breach. Okay, so make sure to select this particular option, that is a standard protection. Okay, so once you select the standard protection, you will be free from the threats, and it will be secured from the sites and the downloads and extensions that are known to be dangerous. Okay, so this is how you can do the safe browsing on Google Chrome. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.